Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today, gonna show you how you can get free unlimited premium on Happn app without paying anything.
And always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type poweroff.vip.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
Congratulations! Now you get unlimited free premium on your Happn account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun, guys! Good luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye!